Hi, my name is Steve Black, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for State Chemical. I've been in my role for 15 years, and I've been asked all kinds of questions about State Chemical's program agreement, and I'm here to share some of those answers with you today. There are a lot of questions surrounding a State Chemical program agreement, and today I'm here to answer those questions for you, starting with, what is a program agreement with State? At State Chemical, we sell two ways: transactionally, where you pay as you go, or we'll put your requirements on a program agreement, which allows us to bill you equally over the course of 12 months, automatically ship goods when they're required by the schedule, and lock in your pricing over that 12-month period. What are the details and the rules when signing a program agreement with State Chemical? It's actually quite simple. The rules are that you will agree to purchase our products over a 12-month period based on the agreement that we present to you at a fixed price. The only rule is that you agree to do business with us for 12 months, and if at any time you want to opt out of that agreement, we'd appreciate 30 days notice. This is a very common question I get regularly. How long are State Chemical program agreements? Typically, they are for 12 months and renew after the end of the 12-month period. They'll renew automatically unless there is an issue that we need to add more or decrease the product volume, but for the most part, 12 months is our standard. What advantages does a program agreement with State Chemical afford our customer? There's a lot of value in a program agreement, but the main benefits to our customers are equalized billing over a 12-month period, easier for our customer to figure out what their budgets need to be. If you're buying in a large chunk and then nothing for a couple months and another large chunk, it can impact your budget. So what we do is take the 12-month cost, break it down over 12 equal payments, and that's what we bill you for your requirements. Another benefit of a State Chemical program agreement is locked-in pricing for the length of that agreement. We're not going to raise your price for the entire length of the agreement, regardless of what happens to raw material costs or the economy. Finally, with a State Chemical program agreement, we offer free equipment. The benefit to you as the customer is you use our equipment for free. If it breaks or malfunctions, we're replacing it at no charge to you, and we're replacing it as quickly as we can. If you can't sign a program agreement, that's okay. We welcome your transactional purchase whenever you're ready to make it. With a program agreement, it allows us to send a steady flow of product to you. But if you need to buy it on an as-needed basis, we're delighted to take that order as well. Today we discussed some of the most commonly asked questions regarding State Chemical's program agreements. For more information, visit our website at www.stateindustrial.com. Now, take the next step and fill out the Contact Us form in the description of this video or on our website so that we can be in touch with you. For State Chemical, I'm Steve Black.